Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear ones. Hope so you all are well by the grace of Allah Almighty and doing your work in a best way. Students, in our previous lecture we have completed multiplication and division of integer, and also we have completed question number 1 and 2 of exercise 5b. Now move towards the question number 3. That is, the sum of two integers is minus 129. स्टूडेंट्स, कोई से भी दो इंटीजर जिनका सम किसके इक्वल है, अगर हम दोनों इंटीजर्स को ऐड करें तो उनका सम माइनस 129 के इक्वल होगा. इफ़ वन ऑफ देम इज़ 150, अगर उनमें से एक इंटीजर 150 है, फाइंड द अदर. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द अदर इंटीजर. सो लेट्स फाइंड. Here you can see that it is already mentioned in the question that sum of two integers is equal to minus 129. Also, first integer is equal to 150 and we have to find the second integer. According to the given condition that sum of two integers means first integer and second integer is equal to minus 129. As it is already given that student first integer is equal to 150, so I have written here the value of first integer and second integer we have to find. So let's find second integer. As 150 is here, स्टूडेंट्स 150 यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है, अगर हम इसे दूसरी साइड पे लेकर जाएंगे तो ये नेगेटिव इंटीजर होगा माइनस 150. स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन सी है माइनस 129 एंड माइनस 150. हम इन दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे और जो साइन होगा वो माइनस का ही रहेगा एज वी नोटेड. सो एडिंग 129 to 150 the answer will be 279 and minus sign is common, that is the second integer. So minus 297 is the required integer. Students, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सेम एज इट इज़ है जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 सॉल्व किया है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज़ इन योर होमवर्क, डू इट योर सेल्फ. Now move towards the question number 5, that is the product of two integers is minus 160. अब हमारे पास टू इंटीजर्स का प्रोडक्ट है. सो दो इंटीजर्स का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो किसके इक्वल है, माइनस 160 के इक्वल है. इफ़ वन ऑफ देम इज़ 8, अगर उनमें से एक इंटीजर 8 है, फाइंड द अदर, हमें सेकेंड वन फाइंड आउट करना है. Here you can see that product of two integers is equal to minus 160 and first integer is 8. We have to find the second integer. So according to the given condition, the product of two integers means first integer and second integer is equal to minus 160 and first integer is given, that is 8. Second integer we have to find and minus 160 as it is. सो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे 8 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इसे जब हम इस साइड पे लेके आएंगे तो यहाँ डिवाइड होगा. सो माइनस 160 डिवाइडेड बाई 8. एज 8 1s are 8 and 8 2s are 16, 0 will be as it is. Now by division the answer is minus 20 which is the second integer, hence minus 20 is the required integer. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम माइनस 20 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करें मीन्स फर्स्ट इंटीजर 8 है, सेकंड इंटीजर माइनस 20 है, अगर हम 8 को और माइनस 20 दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करें सो आंसर ऑब्वियसली हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू इंटीजर्स का माइनस 160 ही होगा. स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज इन योर होमवर्क. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 and 7 आर सेम. सो लेट्स सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. That is, subtract the sum of minus 11 and minus 18 from minus 23. स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें ये बताया गया है कि हमें माइनस 11 एंड माइनस 18 इन दोनों का पहले क्या करेंगे, सम फाइंड करेंगे. सम ऑफ माइनस 11 एंड माइनस 18, जो सम का आंसर आएगा उसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे माइनस 23 में से, मीन्स माइनस 23 में से इन दोनों के सम के आंसर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो लेट्स सी हाउ. Here you can see that the solution according to the question, that is we have to subtract the sum of minus 11 and minus 18. So first we will write the sum of minus 11 and minus 18 and then सब्ट्रैक्ट इट फ्रॉम माइनस 23. स्टूडेंट्स, हमने माइनस 11 और माइनस 18 के सम को माइनस 23 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. फ्रॉम अगर मेंशन है इट मीन्स माइनस 23 में से हम इसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो I have write it here minus 23 minus 11 plus minus 18. So let's solve it. Minus 23 as it is, minus as it is, and minus 11 here. We know that plus minus is minus. So the answer is minus 18. Now in the next step, minus 23 as it is, minus as it is, and let's solve it. Minus 11 and minus 18. Students, we know that we will add 11 and 18 and the sign will be minus. So by adding 11 and 18, the answer is 29 and common sign is minus. So now let's move towards the next step, that is minus 23 as it is, and we know that if minus and minus are multiplying, then it will convert into positive. So minus minus will be positive and 29 as it is. Now let's solve it. Minus plus minus, we will subtract this value. So now subtract minus 23 from 29, the answer will be 6. That is the required answer. Now question number 8 is multiply minus 17 by minus 1. Students, minus 17 को minus 1 से multiply करते हैं. Is the product the negative of minus 17? क्या इन दोनों का जो product है वो minus 17 का negative number है? Let's see. Students, here you can see the solution, that is product of minus 17 and minus 1. If we multiply minus 17 to minus 1, minus 17 multiplied by minus 1, the answer is 17. As we know that minus multiplied by minus, if two minus are multiplying, then the answer will be positive. So here is minus, here is also minus, and minus minus will be positive. So answer is plus 17. As the product is positive 17, as we can see here, which is negative of minus 17. 17 is that number which is negative of minus 17. Let's see, also you can see here negative of minus 17. Here is the sign negative and minus 17. So you can see minus minus will be plus. So the answer will be 17. 17, student, is that number which is the negative of minus 17. Question number 9 is find the products of the following using some quicker grouping in each case. Students, part number 1 is in your homework. Let's move towards the part number 2 and also simplify it. Minus 23 multiplied by 100 multiplied by minus 10. Students, part number 1 is same as part number 2 and 3 and it is quite easy. So we will solve part number 2. That you can see here the solution. Minus 23 multiplied by 100 multiplied by minus 10. Students, minus 23 will be as it is, multiply 100 and we will simplify it as minus 10 as it is. Now let's multiply 23 to 100. You can easily multiply any integer to 100. As you can see here, 23, if we multiply 23 to 1, the answer will be 23 and 2 zeros will be as it is. And also minus 10 as it is, as minus 10 is multiplying to 2300. Now multiply 23 to 1, the answer will be 23 and 2 zeros as it is and 1 zero again here. So the answer will be 23,000. Students, you can see here is no any minus sign. It means minus and minus converted into plus. So the answer is 23,000 as you can see here. Part number 3 is 29 multiplied by minus 50 multiplied by minus 200. Let's see the solution, that is 29 multiplied by minus 50 multiplied by minus 200. 29 as it is multiplied by minus 50 as it is and multiply minus 200. Now first we will solve minus 50 multiplied by minus 200, that is easy. 29 as it is multiplied by, students, minus and minus will be plus, and if we multiply 5 to 2, the answer will be 10, and 1 2 3 3 zeros as it is, the answer is 10,000. And if we multiply 29 to 10,000, the answer will be 29 को अगर हम 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 29 as it is and 4 zeros as it is, that is 2,90,000. Question number 10 is find an integer which divides minus 100 to give minus 5. Students, हमने वो इंटीजर फाइंड आउट करना है जो minus 100 को डिवाइड करने के बाद आंसर minus 5 दे. And you can see here, as according to question, we have to find that number which when divides by 100 gives the answer minus 5. So we will divide minus 100 to minus 5. Students, minus minus will be plus and 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 0 as it is. The answer is 20. As 20 is the required integer which divides minus 100 to give minus 5. As minus 100 divided by plus 20 gives the answer minus 5. Which shows that 20 is that number which when divided by minus 100 gives the answer minus 5. Okay students, do practice of question number 3 to 10 and also Do homework of question number 4, 6 and question number 9 part number 1. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.